Hi, I'm Tine from PlayPauseBe and I'm here today to take you through the PlayPauseBe deck. Now, this is the box. Easy to open, easy to close, and easy to take with you wherever you may go. Now, the first thing that you will find is the manual. The manual contains some valuable information, including information on how to use the cards, about the 7 chakras, and the 10 benefits that we have included in the deck. Okay, but this is not all. We made a manual that was so long that we had to make an online version. So if you go to the back of the manual, you'll find a QR code that will take you to the online version of the manual. Now, on the online version, you will find precautions, contraindications, how-to, additional sequencing suggestions, and a bit more about the benefits for each pose. Okay, so check that out as well. Now, moving on to the deck. This is the deck, containing 82 different asanas broken down into 9 categories. So, warm up, standing poses, balancing poses, back bends, inversions, arm balances, seated postures, advanced, and then slow down. Now, I'm going to take a card and talk to you a bit about all of the elements on each card. Okay, I'm going to take a card here. Now, in the top corner, you will find a number that identifies that asana, after which you will find the chakra associations for that asana. Below, you will find the illustration on how to do the asana, after which you will find the name of the asana both in English and in Sanskrit. Below this, you will find a cue that will help you to set the focus while you're performing the asana. Now, at the bottom, in the middle, you'll see a volume symbol. This tells you something about how intense and difficult the asana is. So if the volume is turned up to 4, that means that the intensity and the difficulty is relatively high. If it's at 1, it's relatively low. Now, before this volume symbol, you'll see a rewind button with some numbers before it. These are sequencing suggestions. So they might be asanas that you can transition from and into the card at hand, or also suggestions on what you might include in your warm-up. So for instance, in handstand, you will have a reference to card number 5, which is wrist warm-up, because you want to warm up your wrists before you move into this card. So that's just an example for you. After the volume symbol, you'll see a fast forward button. This is sequencing suggestions for after the asana on the card at hand. In these suggestions, we have also included counter poses for neutralizing. So these counter poses are in bold, so they are highly suggested to include after the asana at hand. Okay? Now, we're gonna flip the card and look at the back side of the card. So on the back, we have included 10 different benefits, and these are all 10 on each card. Now, the ones that are highlighted are the ones that are relative for the asana at hand. So for instance, handstand is beneficial for lungs, as well as digestion and strength, etc. So this will help you to be able to create a sequence according to the benefits that you want to obtain. Now, this was all that I wanted to tell you about the PlayPauseBe main deck. I hope you enjoyed it and have a beautiful day.